Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that everyone is curious about: how to improve your English. I know many of you often wonder about this, so if you're facing challenges with your English, don't worry, you're in the right place. Whether you're a beginner or have been learning for a while, I'm going to share some truly helpful tips with you. And don't worry, we'll keep it light and fun because learning English doesn't have to be boring. So grab your notebook, your favorite drink, and let's jump right in. First of all, speak. And keep speaking. I understand it can feel scary, but believe me, there's no magic trick that will make you fluent overnight. The real secret is simple. Just speak. You can't improve your speaking without actually speaking. Just like you can't learn to swim without getting into the water. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. They are proof that you're learning. Talk to native speakers, classmates, friends, or even to yourself. Yes, talking to yourself in English is very effective. Imagine saying things like, "I need to clean my room," or "Where is my bag?" That's practice. And if you're in an English-speaking country, you have a golden opportunity. Speak to the barista, the cashier, even someone on the bus. If not, no worries. You can join online groups or find a language exchange partner. The key is simple: keep speaking. Also, after every conversation, take a moment to reflect. Ask yourself questions like, did I understand most of what was said? How did I feel nervous, confident? What new words did I hear? Reflecting helps you notice where you can improve. Think of it like a mini feedback session you have with yourself. Don't stress if you didn't catch everything. Just focus on getting better step by step. Listening and reading are powerful too. Many times, when we want to speak, the words just aren't there. That's why you should expose yourself to English daily. Watch movies, listen to music, check out podcasts all in English. You'll naturally absorb new vocabulary and expressions. You'll even start using phrases without realizing how you learned them. Reading is equally important. Read books, blogs, articles, whatever you enjoy. And here's a tip. Pick topics you love. If you love sports, read sports news. If you love movies, watch interviews with actors. Learning should be fun. Now, what about when you feel nervous? Prepare cheat sheets. If you're going to the doctor, write down useful phrases beforehand. Same if you're planning to dine out. The more you prepare, the less nervous you'll feel. And don't worry, you won't always need those cheat sheets. Once you build confidence, the words will come naturally. Speaking on the phone is another great way to practice. I know it feels harder because you can't see the other person's facial expressions. But that's why it's such good training. Start with simple calls to friends or family, and gradually move to making appointments or ordering food. Remember your cheat sheets. They'll be your best friends in the beginning. Another smart method is recording yourself. I know hearing your own voice can feel awkward, but it's super helpful. When you listen back, you'll notice areas where you can improve, maybe your pace, maybe your pronunciation. Pretend you're a YouTuber. Record yourself speaking about topics you love and just enjoy the process. When you learn English, don't just memorize single words, learn phrases. For example, don't just learn hello. Learn different ways to greet, like, hey, hi there, or what's up. This makes your speaking sound natural and fluent because in real conversations, we speak in full expressions, not isolated words. Always remember, have fun. Learning English should never feel like a punishment. Sing your favorite English songs, no matter how you sound. Try tongue twisters like, "She sells seashells by the seashore." You'll mess up sometimes, and that's perfect because you're learning. Practice smartly by setting goals. If you want to travel, focus on vocabulary related to travel directions, hotel bookings, restaurant phrases. Focused practice will help you improve faster and smarter. And finally, the most important thing, don't give up. Some days will be easy. Some will be frustrating. That's okay. English learning is a journey, not a sprint. If you keep practicing, speaking, and enjoying the process, you will definitely get better. Every small effort matters. So don't lose hope, just keep going. If you liked this video, make sure you check out our next one, How to Start Thinking in English. Click here to watch it now.